Hello everyone, I'm Samiksha Chaudhary working as a techno-functional consultant at BISP Solutions. This video is based on ticket resolving. So in this video, we are going to view one used case or ticket which I have gone through when I was working on a project. So let us start with our first case. In this ticket, the issue is create summary profile for all fixed asset type accounts from this is the profile ID, account ID. We need to create a summary profile for these profiles starting from 15110 to 15100. We need to create summary profile for these fixed asset account. Now I'm going to ARCS application to solve this issue. This is home page of our application. To view these profile, go to application, then application card, then profile card. First I'm searching these profile. So profiles are starting from 201.151.10 to 201.151.00. 201.151. These are profiles for fixed asset. I need to create summary profile for these accounts. So for creating summary profile, click on this create button. Now I'm creating summary profile for these accounts. I'm writing the name as summary 201.151. Profiles are starting from 15110 to 15100. 15110 to 100. These are my profile. Name is summary profile for fixed asset or fixed asset. After this, you need to check this box summary profile to create summary profile. Then select the process. This is balance sheet process. Fixed asset or item of balance sheet. Then attach the risk rating for this profile. Attach the organizational unit for this profile. Attach the format. I'm attaching this format, fixed asset. Then provide adjustment days. Asset type is fixed asset. Normal balance of asset is always debit. After providing these details, you need to include the accounts. Included accounts means you need to include these accounts in summary profile starting from 201.151.10 to 201.151.00. In summary profile, you need to attach these profiles for which you want to create the summary profile. Click on this edit option. Then in our case, account ID are starting from this to this. So I'm creating one filter. Account ID contains company 201 and account contains 151. Now you can see these are the list of our summary profiles. Then the second filter I'm applying, account type is fixed asset because these are fixed asset account. So account type fixed asset. After this, click on OK. Now you can see these profiles are attached in the summary profile. Now go to workflow. Now go to workflow and attach the preparer and reviewer of the summary profile. I am assigning Frank Taylor as preparer. Frequency of this summary profile will be monthly. These are additional days to perform reconciliation, and reconciliation will schedule from close date. Now I'm assigning reviewer. I'm assigning Emmy Marlin as my reviewer. After this, select the currency. Rate type will be accounting. See, summary profile can be performed only in one currency. So select functional. Then save and close. Now you can see summary profile is created and the status of this profile is valid. In this way, you can create the summary profile for the accounts you want. Thank you.